Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about the interchange of present perfect tense. That means an assertive affirmative sentence, how we will change into assertive negative. I have given two examples here. I have given him a book, first one. Second one, Ram has recently gone to Kolkata. Now if I change these sentences into assertive negative, then the answer is very easy, because here I have already discussed about the sentence structure. Subject I Ram, thereafter have or has, thereafter MB3, that means main verb, third form or past participle form, and thereafter object or others is there. Now as auxiliary verbs are present here, if we want to make these sentences change into assertive negative, we have to place not just after have or has. That's why first one will be I have not. I have not given. I have not given him a book. And second one, Ram has not. Ram has not recently. Ram has not recently gone to Calcutta. Ram has not recently gone to Kolkata. Ram has not, first one, I have not given him a book. Second one, Ram has not recently gone to Kolkata. That means only not will be placed just after have or has. Now if I want to make these sentences change into interrogative affirmative, if I want to make these sentences into interrogative affirmative, then the answer will be, for the first one, I have given him a book. Here, have I given him a book? Have I given him a book? At last question mark. And second one, Ram has recently gone to Kolkata. Has Ram recently? Has Ram recently? Has Ram recently gone to Kolkata? Has Ram recently gone to Kolkata? Question mark. In this way, by placing have or has just before the subject, we can change this assertive affirmative sentence into interrogative affirmative. Now if I want to make these sentences change into interrogative negative, then the answer will be, for the first one, I have given him a book. Have I not? Have I not given? Have I not given him? Have I not given him a book? Have I not given him a book? If I use full form, then first of all have or has, thereafter subject, and I, it is subject pronoun. That's why in interrogative negative sentence, if the subject is pronoun, not is placed just after the subject, if I use full form. But if I use shortened form, then we can write in this way, haven't I? Then we can write in this way, haven't I given him? Haven't I given him a book? haven't I given him a book? In this way we can change this assertive affirmative sentence into interrogative negative. Now second one, Ram has recently gone to Kolkata. This second sentence can also be changed in the same way. Has not Ram recently gone to Kolkata? Has not Ram recently gone to Kolkata? Ram, it is subject noun. That's why in interrogative negative sentences not will be placed just before subject noun, and that's why not here before the subject, because Ram it is noun. Or we can write using shortened form in this way: hasn't Ram recently gone to Kolkata? Hasn't Ram recently gone to Kolkata? Question mark. In this way we can change assertive affirmative sentence into assertive negative, thereafter interrogative affirmative, and thereafter into interrogative negative.